What's up, YouTube? That's right, you saw the title. These are Nike Air Max 95 Essential. So, without further ado, let's see what we got. We already know what we got, but yeah, you know, I had to order me some new shoes, you know, for the summer, you know what I'm saying? This is just one pair. There's probably gonna be some more, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some low tops. I've been wearing, you know, basketball shoes and hot tops and boots, you know, all winter. All right, you got the mailing slip right here. Okay, and then you got the receipt right here. All right. Throw that over there. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, you see the red, you see the dark gray, you got the light gray, then you got the even lighter gray, then you got the black right here, you know what I'm saying? You see on this other side. Yeah. You can see in the front. Yeah. You get the back. We got the little bubble in the back right there. Yeah, 95, man. When these came out, they didn't have them in a lot of colors. You know, they only had them like in, I used to like these gray, light gray and dark gray and lime green ones they had. And they were too expensive for me. I was young, I wouldn't spend the money on shoes like that, you know, anyway. But now they got like a lot of colors. And I seen these, you know, I was like, I got to have them. Oh yeah, I got to see, got the red bottoms. Yeah, look at that. Red bottoms right there. You know, so, and look at it, you match my shirt. You know what I'm saying? Match my shirt. That's right, never forget. Never forget right here. All right, let's see in the description right here. They got the white, bright crimson. This is not red, it's crimson. You know what I'm saying? And then the black. You know? And they don't say nothing about all the gray they got right there, but as you can see, you know, you can see the gray. But yeah, I like these, you know. And I'm gonna definitely rock these. You know what I'm saying? And red's my favorite color too, by the way. So, you know, like I said, even though it's crimson, well, it looks red. You know what I'm saying? Match the shirt. So, alright, that's it for this unboxing video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share the video. Hit me in the comment section. Make sure if you got anything you want me to react to, post a link in the comment section. And when I get other shoes, I'm gonna do unboxing of those too. You know, I'm gonna do unboxing of everything I get. You know what I'm saying? I haven't done the unboxing in a while, but I'm gonna start doing more. All right, I'm Chris Magma. I'll see y'all in the next video.